choosing a file of 3000 by 2000 pixel and resolution 72. Select gray color in the foreground and press Alt backspace to fill the color in the background. Then select the text tool and type your text. Select white color in the text. Enlarge the text as needed and centerline it. Right click on the text layer and select Convert to a Smart Object. Then double click on the right side of the text layer. Here select Pattern Overlay. Pattern download link is given in the description. Select the pattern. Then set the angle value to 31, scale value to 12 and hit OK. Then open the gradient panel. Inside the green gradient group, select this gradient. Select the text layer, hold Alt and drag downwards to make another copy. Now hold Shift and press down arrow key twice. Now we have to fill the gap. For that, press Ctrl J and press up arrow key on the keyboard. Repeat the process until the gap is filled. Now select all the text layer and group them. Go to the gradient panel and apply this gradient. Now take a hue saturation adjustment layer. Here, set the hue value to -78 and lightness value -17. Open the text group, copy the bottom text layer and bring it outside the group. Double click on the right side of the text layer. Here uncheck Pattern Overlay and check on Drop Shadow. Here set the distance value to 20, size value to 25, opacity value to 50 and hit OK. Press Ctrl G to copy the layer. Double click on the right side of the text layer. Click on Drop Shadow. Here set the opacity to 30, distance value to 70, size value to 60 and hit OK. Now take a curve adjustment layer on top of everything and create a S-curve something like that. Now change this text layer name to double click to change. The text effect is ready. To change the text, double click on the thumbnail of this text layer. Here change the text. Press Ctrl S to save. The main text effect is automatically updated. For those of you who have watched the video so far, the project file downloading is given in the description. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, take care.